Hello, parents of college prep chemistry students who have me, Mrs. Peters, as their teacher. Welcome to our virtual Parents' Night. Man, is this ever weird. Um, I really enjoy getting to meet the parents of my students in person. I just like to put faces with my kids' faces that I see every day, and it's just always such a joy to get to meet you as well. I wanted to let you know that the classes that I have this year are absolutely awesome. And I want to thank you so much for being the great parents that you are in raising such wonderful young people. They are a true blessing to be able to teach every day. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the class. First of all, if you hadn't already picked up on this, there is a lot of work going on, and that happens whether we're in a hybrid schedule or not. It's just this is a rigorous and challenging course. And it's also college prep, so part of the job is getting the kids ready for and developing a work ethic that's going to serve them well when they go to college. To that end, because chemistry is challenging, there will be homework. I'm trying to get them in the habit of doing homework. The more you practice things, the better you learn them. I will be providing instructional videos for kids for certain things in days that they're online, and we'll be solving problems or going over content together in class as well when I have the opportunity to see them. In addition to that, and I think this is going to be a help for you as parents especially, if your child starts to struggle with a concept or something that's just not clicking with them with problem solving, I'm providing you now, tonight, with some information about some websites that you or your son or daughter, I would prefer that it be your son or daughter, go ahead and do a Google search for. And these are excellent sources that I actually have used in teaching, where for the first one, Khan Academy, very good. The chemistry, I think you have to select science and engineering first, and then within that, chemistry. Melissa Maribel does an awesome job of teaching and breaking down concepts and problems. And she's on YouTube, but if you Google search Melissa Maribel, it'll take you there, or your son or daughter. Tyler DeWitt, same thing. He's really good at breaking stuff down. And then there are some simulations, but it's for all topics related to chemistry. So all your son or daughter would have to do at this site is type in whatever the concept or problem is that is being studied, and it'll bring up that particular set of information. ChemThink SimBucket. We will be doing labs and lab reports. We will be testing and quizzing. There was a document, Mrs. Peters' Law, that came home with your children the first day that they were in class with me, that I asked them to have you read and sign. It was a very lengthy document, but it outlines the way I run class, what my expectations are, the grading, etc. And I really do appreciate the fact that you took the time to read it. If you have questions about anything having to do with the course, please just ask to see your son or daughter's copy of that packet that's entitled Mrs. Peters' Law and something about rules or expectations for the chemistry classroom. And it's all there. And certainly, if you ever have any questions, do not hesitate to email me. I can be contacted at my school email address, which is right here, rpeters@cocalico.org. I really enjoy having the opportunity to work with your students this semester, and I am just having a blast getting to know them. They're great kids. I'm hoping that we stay in school, but if we don't, I will be delivering information and teaching using videos and live streaming should we go to all online. We're actually getting educated on how to best use live streaming via Google Meet here in the near future, and I am looking forward to learning a little bit more about that. Again, I want to thank you for visiting with me tonight via the video, and I look forward again to working with your children. Thank you so much for allowing me the privilege to be their teacher. Have a great night.